what's up everybody? Welcome back for another episode of Average Joe's DIY. We're still working on this 99 Fourtrax 300. We figured out the CDI box was the issue, causing it to have no spark. So we got that fixed. Now it's time to clean the carburetor and get this thing back running and going like it should. So when you get the carburetor out, you got a few things that you have to disconnect. You have this vacuum hose right here, or a vent hose, whatever it is. You also have the choke. You have a plastic nut. You have to unscrew that, make sure that comes out. And then you also have this plastic cover, and that's the throttle. You have to undo the cable from the inside out of that. Now to not lose any of these screws, I always make sure I put these small screws back where I pulled them from. And there we go. Now it's time to clean it. So I got the bowl pulled off, and as you can see in the bottom there's some green goop in there. We gotta clean all that out, and that's in the jet as well, so we're gonna have to clean it up. So let's get to it. Okay, so to clean the jet, you can't really see it, but I got this bread tie that I just pulled the plastic off of it, and it's a little wire, and we'll run it through the jet and through the little holes and stuff, the little vent holes, to clean it all out, and then spray with carburetor cleaner. And I have an air chuck as well to blow some air through it to get all the rest of it out. You got a bunch of little holes in there, so you have to run this wire through these holes to make sure they're all cleaned out. You can kind of see light through them. Same thing with this one. It comes out, it's got a bunch of little ones as well. All right, so I got the carburetor cleaned up. I cleaned this jet right here, took it out. Cleaned this jet right here, took it out. Also, there's a jet on the inside right here. I didn't take it out, I just ran the wire through it. Made sure it was clean. I got the rubber grommet. I took that out, cleaned it up, sprayed some carburetor cleaner in here, and then I also used the air chuck to blow some air through here. And also took the float off with this pin right here. Took the float out with the little valve and pulled it out. Cleaned all that out with some air and some carburetor cleaner, put it all back together. Cleaned up in here. This was all full of gunk. This right here wouldn't lift up, so I cleaned it, made sure it moves freely. And also blew some air through these vent holes. Cleaned the butterfly in the back, vent hole right there, and they got a little tiny hole right there. Made sure I tried to clean that out as best as I can, and we'll see how it works. Okay, so we got the carburetor and everything put back on, the tank put back on and cleaned, and good gas. So let's see if it cranks. All right, we're gonna get it put all back together and take it for a ride. Thanks for watching another episode of Average Joe's DIY. Until next time, like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions, and we'll see you later.